Good afternoon, dear students. Today we are going to do the numericals on the concept of acceleration. In last class also we learned about the numericals based on the concept of acceleration. So here is a statement that we are going to discuss right now. The statement says that a car starts from rest. Now you need to focus on the keywords over here. What is being asked? Car starts from rest. This is the first thing that we have to remember. And attains a velocity of 10 meter per second. Okay. Starts from rest means initially it was at rest. So initial velocity becomes 0. And after some time, in how much time? 40 seconds. It attains a final velocity of 10 meter per second. Now, the driver applies brakes and slows down. Okay, so let us see a sketch over here. The object or the car starts from here. Here the u is 0, and after 40 seconds of time, here the final velocity is set to be how much? 10 meter per second. Now at this point, when the velocity is 10 meter per second and the time has been covered 40 seconds, what happens? He has to apply some brakes. Okay, so this is your first case. Fine. Now when he applies here brakes, it means your second event has started. So here it means u is equal to 10 meter per second for the second case. And car slows down. After applying brakes, what happens? The car slows down the car to 5 meter per second in 10 seconds. So after 10 seconds of duration, okay, when the car reaches this point, let it be A, let it be B and C. So here, what is the velocity of the car? It becomes 5 meter per second. Okay. So first case and the second case. Final velocity of first case becomes initial velocity of the second case. When it becomes second case? When here the object is being, the brakes have been put here. Okay. So it becomes the initial velocity of this case. So it means we have to find out the 2 acceleration. Okay. Find the acceleration in both cases. When the object was running smoothly, starting from initial velocity 0 and reaching till 10 meter per second. When the car reached at the velocity of 10 meter per second, at that time the driver applied some brakes. And when the brakes were applied, it means this 10 meter per second, it became the initial velocity for this coming event. Okay. And after 10 seconds, the car slowed down. So that point where its velocity became 5 meter per second, it becomes the final velocity. So let us write down the given data. First I am going to write here first case. Okay. So for first case, what is the data given? Initial velocity. That is u is equal to 0 because the object was at rest or the car was at rest. Okay. Now what is the final velocity? Final velocity, that is v, is equal to 10 meter per second. This one. 10 meter per second. Okay. Now you need to find here acceleration. So time given is time or small t is equal to 40 seconds. So what is the formula of acceleration? You need to find out here acceleration. Okay. So acceleration is equal to v minus u upon t. Put the values. V is here 10 because it is in SI system, so there is no need to convert the units. 10 minus 0 upon t, 40. Okay. So what it becomes? 10 upon 40. 0 0 cancelled, and what will be the answer? It will be in decimal form 0.25 meter per second square. So this is the solution of the first case. Now let us come to the second case. Second case says this one, this part. So here what we will write? I am going to rub this. For the second case, again we are going to write down the data. Okay, for second case, because when the object was at 10 meter per second, at that time the brakes have been applied, so it means it becomes u, or the initial velocity, that is 10 meter per second. Okay, after covering 10 minutes, the object is coming at 5 meter per second. So v is equal to 5 meter per second, and time is 10 seconds. Clear? Now again acceleration is to be found out in the second case. So a is equal to v minus u upon t. What are the values? A is equal to v is 5 minus 10 upon how much time? 10. Okay, so what it will become? A is equal to 5 minus 10 minus 5 upon 10. Okay, so it becomes 2, or we can say, what is the value now? Minus 0.5 meter per second square. I hope the question is clear to everyone. Now, what does it mean? That in first case, the car was accelerated, while in the second case, it was retarded. So you need to mention this minus sign. Okay, minus sign shows that the car is showing retardation. Okay, so you will write here minus or negative sign shows retardation. So this will earn you mark. Okay, so this is how we are going to do the numerical. Now here is another question based on the acceleration only. So let us see the statement first. A bus moving with a velocity of 60 km per hour. Now you have to consider the units also. And a bus is already moving with the velocity of 60 km per hour. It means it is the initial velocity. Is brought to rest. Now the second point that you have to consider is brought to rest. Rest means it is stopped. So its final velocity becomes 0 in 20 seconds. Time is how much? 20 seconds. So these are the things that you have to ponder upon. By applying brakes, means the brakes have been applied and the bus has come to rest. It means final velocity is 0. Find its acceleration. So very simple. Let us first give the data. Given. What is initial velocity? Initial velocity, that is u, is equal to 60 km per hour. So what you need to do? Convert it into meter per second, because time is in seconds. So we will multiply it by 5 by 18. I hope you remember how 5 by 18 has come. Okay, it means 1000 upon 3600. So on simplification, it becomes 5 by 18. So if I simplify it, then what it becomes? 3 6 and 20. So it becomes 100 upon 6. So if we further simplify it, bring it into decimal forms, it becomes 16.66 meter per second. Okay, so the conversion, we have converted kilometer per hour into meter per second. So this is the first step where you are earning marks. Okay, always remember that you get marks on the solution of the numerical on the basis of steps. Okay, so this is the first step. Now second step says what? That final velocity since the bus has come to rest after applying the brakes, so v, small v, is equal to 0. Now, you need to find out acceleration, and time given is time, or small t, is equal to 20 seconds. 20 seconds. Acceleration you need to find out. So what is the formula for acceleration? A is equal to v minus u upon t. Okay, so put the values. What is v? It is 0 minus 16.66 upon time is 20 seconds. Okay, so when you are going to solve it, first thing, because something 0 minus 16.66, it means that it will become minus 16.66 upon 20. So when you are going to minus sign, again you have to consider this negative sign. So when the negative sign is there, it means the motion is retarded. Okay, now what will be the answer here then? How much? We are going to simplify it, and the answer will become minus 0.83 meter per second square. So acceleration is, or I should say the retardation, the car has been retarded, or bus, not car, has been retarded by applying brakes. So negative sign shows retardation. So this is how the question ends. I hope the things are clear to you. So here is the third question. Let us discuss this. It is also a little bit different from the other questions. So I am trying to make the things clear by taking different type of questions. So let us see the statement. A car is retarded. Now you have to focus on this word, retarded. Retarded means the motion means the object is moving with some velocity and it comes to rest. Okay. So retarded by applying brakes, means brakes have been applied at the rate of 2 meter per second square. So you just see what is the unit. Is it a unit of velocity or it is a unit of acceleration? It is meter per second square. Okay. Now it means it is acceleration, and it is saying retarded. Retarded means when we will write given, then we will write A is equal to minus 2 meter per second square. You have to relate it to the word retarded. Okay. It is finally stopped. Again, it is justifying the negative. It is finally stopped. Stopped means, finally stopped means that final velocity that is v is equal to 0, because it is stopping somewhere after application of brakes in 10 seconds. Time small t is equal to 10 seconds. Okay. Find its initial velocity, because he has not mentioned anywhere by how much velocity the bus or the car was moving initially. So he is asking you to find out initial velocity. So you need to find out u is equal to. Okay. Let us see again. A car is retarded. Retardation, it means acceleration is there and it is negative. By applying brakes, means brakes have been applied, and with the retardation of how much? At the rate of 2 meter per second square. So A is equal to minus 2 meter per second square. It is finally stopped. Means final velocity becomes 0. Always remember, if an object starts with rest, it means initial velocity is 0. If an object stops after some time, then its final velocity is 0. So v is equal to 0. Then comes find it in 10 seconds. So time becomes 10 seconds. Find its initial velocity. So with what velocity initially it was moving. So let us do the question. A is equal to V minus U upon T. Okay, this we have to apply. Now, acceleration has been given, V has been given, T has been given, you have to find out U. So we will put the values. A is how much? Minus 2 is equal to, V is how much? 0 minus U upon T. T is how much? 10 seconds. So 10. Okay, cross multiply. Minus 2 into 10 is equal to 0 minus U. It becomes minus 20 is equal to minus U. Minus minus sign cancels and it becomes U is equal to 20 meter per second. Okay, initial velocity is 20 meter per second. So this is how you can do this question. So today you learned about numericals, how to do numericals on the concept of acceleration. So I tried to pick different types of questions based on acceleration. So you practice them and find out some more questions from your NCERT and do them in your notebooks.